message, which is
Chill out!
Woo-wee! That's a good message for June and the summertime, because if you're a seller, buyers want to have a cooling feature in the houses that they buy, be it a central air conditioning or a swamp cooler, and it makes a house much more bearable in the summertime. It's an easy-to-do feature that has a lot of value. You can put in swamp cooling or AC. We have suppliers that can do it for you quickly and reasonably. Please give us a call or look at us right now or online at rnrteam.com. Thanks, and we'll talk to you next month. Have a cool
Happy
summer.
summer!